Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up newbie share on your Oppo A96 device. So firstly open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, enable Bluetooth and enable location services. Then find newbie share, click and hold on it. Enable newbie share, click share more easily. Scroll down, click agree. Cool. Now you can rename your device. For example, A96. And you can make your device visible for everyone. You can choose preferred data usage mode. I suggest to use data mode. And it's cool. Now we can share, now I can receive and save data using a newbie share. For example, I want to send from my Vivo device to my Oppo device this image. By clicking on the share button and newbie share, I can see my Oppo A96 on my Vivo device. By clicking on it and by clicking accept on my Oppo device, photo was successfully sent. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.